Ehraam. For man, two white pieces of neat unstitched cloth, one for covering lower part of the body as loin and one for the upper. Head and face should be uncovered. You can wear any shoes, but remember that your ankles should be uncovered. Ehram can be new or used. This garment can be worn as many times as you want. You can also wear watch, ring, glasses, belt or gloves and can keep wallet with you. For women, there is no condition of wearing ihram. They may vow for ihram in dresses they are wearing. However, gloves or veil is not permitted. Hadith number 825 of Sunan Abi Dawud discusses this matter. It is desirable that you take bath before wearing ihram. Either you are there to perform Hajj or you are doing only Umrah. The Holy Prophet ﷺ did the same thing as contained in the Hadith 830 of Jami Tirmizi. You must not refrain from shaving hair of your secret body parts, considering that it will earn you some reward, or it is an appreciated act, but it is not. Pilgrims can also wear ihram without taking bath. This is not going to affect your Umrah in any way. Remember that taking bath is desirable, not mandatory. Before entering ihram, man pilgrims can wear perfumes and use scents, whether they are short-lived or long-lasting. But after they have worn ihram, no any type of fragrance is allowed to be used as proof from hadith. Any woman, if has started having her menstruation cycle or has given birth a baby, has to take bath. It is mandatory.